Let's just have a look at the first three commits. So the first one is add results parser, and we can see it's going through, it looks like four different files, and we're kind of making the same change here. It's just, again, a bit of formatting around what happens in Catchbox. Then we have our baseline analysis results file, and again, it's just formatting change. And then finally, we've got another set of changes. These are the adding SARB files. And again, these are just results parses. And this is very similar to the first commit that we looked at. So maybe the first and third commit, they are essentially doing the same thing. We're just doing this kind of cleanup, the formatting around catch statements. So what we can do is we could take those two commits and make them one, because logically that's all doing the same thing. So we can do git rebase minus I for interactive. And again, we're only really interested in the first three commits here. So the first thing we want to do is let's put these two commits together. So the add SARB files, what we're going to do is we've actually reordered it. So now the first commit is still add results parser. The second one, or the most recent, will be add results parsers. The second most recent will now be adding the SARB file, and third will be fix the formatting. So actually, we'll just stop there. And what we've done is just reordered the commits. And now, if we look at our history, we see this used to be the second commit, but now it's the third. This one used to be the third commit, and now it's the second, and this is still the first commit. And the fourth and subsequent ones have remained unchanged. But what we can do, and we could have done this all in one go, we can now replace the pick with a squash, and it will squash this commit into the one above. So what that means is before there was two commits, now they'll be squashed together and they will be just one commit. So we'll save that. And what we've got here is this is a combination of two commits. This is the first commit message, and this is the second commit message. And actually, neither of those are great commit messages. So I'm going to edit this to a single commit message, and it's going to be fix format of results parsers. And before we had two commits. In one commit, we had these two files at the bottom changing. And then in the other commit, we had these four files at the top changing. So now we've made that just one change. So we'll save that, and it's successfully rebased. So now if we look at our history, we've got the fixed format of the results parsers, the fixed formatting in baseline results files, and then back to tidy up, which originally was the fourth commit. Now it's the third. And if we just go and have a look at that first commit, got the fixed format of results parsers, and we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files changed, and essentially we're doing the same thing in all of them. It's just this formatting around here. So it's pretty powerful what you can do with interactive rebase. We've seen a couple of things that we can do. We've seen how we can reword commits. We have seen how we can reorder commits, and we have seen how we can take two commits and squash them into one. And this is just some of the power that we can do with interactive rebase, and we'll be looking at more things you can do with interactive rebase in later days. Hope you found that useful. If you have, please give this a like, and please do subscribe so you can catch all the other videos. And I'll see you in the next one.